Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast that's out of this world. I'm your host, Carl, and we're thrilled to have you joining us today for another exciting episode. As we explore the vast expanse of space and all its secrets, we'll be diving into some fascinating topics that are sure to leave you starstruck. Today, we're starting with a story that's taking the astronomy world by storm. You see, for a long time, scientists have believed that the first stars in our universe were massive, gigantic balls of hot, glowing gas. But new research is challenging this idea, suggesting that not all of the first stars were massive. In fact, some of them might have been relatively small, ranging from 1 to 40 times the size of our Sun. This breakthrough comes from two recent studies that are shedding light on the early universe. One study found that a molecule called helium hydride, which was thought to be rare in the early universe, might actually have been more abundant than previously thought. This molecule plays a crucial role in cooling down gas clouds, allowing them to collapse and form stars. Another study used computer simulations to model how gas flowed in the early universe and found that turbulence could have led to the formation of smaller cloud fragments, which would eventually give birth to lower-mass stars. These findings are significant because they suggest that the first population of stars might have been more diverse than we thought, with a range of sizes and masses. The implications of this research are mind-boggling. If low-mass stars did exist in the early universe, they could still be out there today, waiting to be discovered. And finding them would be a major breakthrough, giving us a unique glimpse into the history of our cosmos. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. I'm your host, Carl, and we're diving into the fascinating world of astronomy and space exploration. Today, we're exploring a mystery that has captivated scientists and enthusiasts alike for decades, the infamous WOW signal. This enigmatic signal was detected in 1977 by a radio telescope at Ohio State University, and it has been the subject of much speculation and debate ever since. As we delve into this intriguing story, let's set the stage. It's August 15, 1977, and a strong, narrow-band radio signal is picked up by the Big Ear radio telescope. The signal lasts for a full 72 seconds, and its intensity is so strong that it's dubbed the WOW signal by Dr. Teens Jerry Amen, the scientist who discovered it. But what could have caused this phenomenon? Well, a new study has shed some light on the mystery. A team of researchers from the Arecibo WOW project has reanalyzed archival data from the Ohio SETD Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence Initiative and has narrowed down the possible sources of the signal. According to their findings, the signal may have originated from a sudden brightening in the hydrogen line of an interstellar gas cloud. Now, you might be wondering, what's the hydrogen line and why is it significant? The hydrogen line, also known as 21-centimeter radiation, is a type of electromagnetic radiation emitted by cold, neutral hydrogen atoms. It's an ideal wavelength for alien civilizations to send radio messages, which is why scientists have been monitoring it for signs of extraterrestrial life. But before we get too excited about the possibility of alien communication, let's consider other explanations. The researchers propose that a powerful transient radiation source, such as a magnetar flare or soft gamma repeater, could have triggered the brightening. Alternatively, a maser, a naturally occurring source of stimulated spectral line emissions, might have produced a narrowband signal with similar characteristics to the WOW signal. As we continue to explore this mystery, it's essential to remember that the WOW signal remains an enigma. While we've made progress in understanding its properties and possible origins, we still can't pinpoint its exact source. The search for answers continues, and who knows, maybe one day we'll uncover the truth behind this captivating phenomenon. For now, let's keep looking up at the stars and wondering about the secrets they hold. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we continue our journey through the vast expanse of space and astronomy, I'd like to take a moment to reflect on the incredible achievements of human ingenuity and exploration. Today, we're going to talk about a remarkable mission that's currently underway, the SpaceX Cargo Dragon's resupply mission to the International Space Station. As we speak, the Cargo Dragon is en route to the ISS, carrying with it a plethora of essential supplies, research equipment, and even some tasty treats for the astronauts on board. But what's truly fascinating about this mission is the cutting-edge technology that's being tested and deployed. From 3D metal printing to bioprinting, the possibilities for advancing our understanding of space and improving life on Earth are endless. The CRS-33 mission is a testament to the power of collaboration and innovation. With over 50 research projects on board, this mission represents the work of thousands of researchers from around the world, all working together to push the boundaries of human knowledge. And as we celebrate 25 years of continuous human presence on the ISS, it's clear that our presence in space is not just about exploration. It's about improving life on Earth and creating a better future for all of us. As we look to the future, it's exciting to think about the potential applications of the technology being developed on this mission. From creating implantable medical devices to printing spare parts and tools on demand, the possibilities are vast and varied. And with the addition of the boost kit, which will provide a quarter of the propulsion needed to maintain the station's altitude, we're seeing a new era of sustainability and efficiency in space exploration. So as we wrap up today's episode of Star Chat, I want to leave you with a sense of wonder and awe at the incredible achievements of human ingenuity. From the astronauts on the ISS to the researchers and engineers working behind the scenes, it's clear that our presence in space is not just about exploring the unknown. It's about creating a better future for all of us. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.